Are you looking to take your VR gaming experience to the next level? Well, in this episode of Good Tech Cheap, let's figure out how to do that. Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. I'm today's host, Matthew, and today we're going to be looking at the soundcore VR P10. This thing is awesome. It's a set of earbuds that sync up with Meta and VR stuff using Oculus, all kinds of stuff to give you awesome sound. The gaming experience of the future, entertainment, just awesome. So, as you know, in every episode of Good Tech Cheap, we do a full unboxing and a test of the product. So let's send that over to Brad. Brad, open it.
All right, here is the Soundcore Wireless VR P10 earbuds. Yeah, let's get them out of the box and see what I would get. Right on top, we have the case. That is also a charging case with some plastic on it. Flips open. Oh, that's nice. Got another piece of plastic over the power button and the charging indicator. There we go. On the bottom, it is USB-C. The back is very slick. The buds come right out. They're magnetized. That looks really nice. Fits in there. Underneath the box, we have some adapters here. Some paperwork with the quick start guide, our charging cable for charging the case, which is USB-C to USB, and some different ear tip sizes to put on the earbuds. You can make sure you have the right size that fits you. Right there is everything you get out of the box. Let's get it charged up and give it a try.
The Soundcore Wireless VR Earbuds, the VR P10, is an amazing accessory to add to your gaming experience or just entertainment experience. It's made for Meta. Soundcore VR P10 True Wireless Gaming Earbuds are authorized by Meta to work with Meta Quest 2, so you can take your VR gameplay to the next level with a lag-free wireless audio experience. Ultra low latency under 30 ms. Experience fully synchronized audio and video for seamless VR gameplay. Lightning Sync wireless technology uses a 2.4 GHz high-speed wireless connection, custom chipset, and superior LC3 codec for lossless audio transfer. And it has dual connection, so you can simultaneously connect with VR P10 to your phone via Bluetooth to Meta Quest 2 using the included USB-C dongle to answer calls without needing to pause your gameplay. You can literally switch back and forth. It's an immersive Meta Quest 2 VR gaming experience. The 11mm drivers deliver a thumping sound that's further intensified by their exclusive bass-up technology to keep you ultra focused on the game. And with pass-through charging, things are simple. You can prevent low battery from cutting short your VR gaming sessions by plugging the cable into the dongle's USB-C port and charging while you play. And its multi-platform compatibility is awesome. Plug in and play using the USB-C dongle to connect the Meta Quest 2, PS4, PS5, PC, or even Switch. That's right, you can give yourself wireless earbuds on your Switch. Very awesome. Use the Soundcore app and multiple dongles to switch between platforms instantly. And to top it all off, it's Ipx Water Resistant, so you can work up a sweat without worry thanks to the water resistant build of the earbuds. There's 4 microphones in this thing with noise reduction and so much more, allowing you to have high quality in-game voice calls. And if you download the Soundcore app, you can personalize your EQ and color of the earbud lights. Soundcore, my goodness, you've done it again. These things are awesome for sure. Thank you guys for making such an awesome product to help any gamer out there just level up and for sponsoring this video. So everybody, check out the links below or wherever on this video so you can get a sweet deal. I've been your host, Matthew. Thanks for watching Good Tech Cheap, and let us know in the comments below, do you need these? I think the answer of course is yes, you do. Yeah. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Later.